Hi everyone, I'm Tenzin Chime and I'm 11 years old. And it is Sakadawa in a few days, so I request all of you guys to stop eating meat and eat more vegetarian food and do lots of good deeds. And ever since I was little, I've been making small videos about random stuff and I'm going to be posting them on YouTube right now. And I hope you guys all enjoy those videos. And the name Tenzin comes from His Holiness Tenzin Gyatso, and he named me, so it's very important. And so, um, when I was little, I found out that meat came from animals, and I was very sad and tragic after that. So then I stopped eating meat. So I think it's very important you guys should. And I'm not saying that people who eat meat is bad or anything, but I think you should really pay attention to the animals' feelings and stuff. So yeah, and I found out that meat comes from animals when I was little. So I always ever since that I always felt like I shouldn't do that because I felt bad for the animals. So that's why I'm requesting you guys to. And well, today I'm going to make some clay animals, and these animals, I'm not really good at making these, and I'm just going to try my best. But today I'm just going to make a little doggo. So these are the animals I already made. So there's a horse here, and a dog, and a bear or koala, you may see. And this is just a little fruit or carrot I made. And so the dog, I'm going to make this a purple dog. It's going to be very random, and I'm going to try my best. I'm going to make it similar to this one, since this one is very cute. And dogs are everywhere in the world. So like in Australia, America, India, and Tibet, and everywhere in Asia. So there's lots of dogs. And dogs in India have a really hard time because they are abandoned and they don't have anything. So, and they have hurt bodies and they have bugs and things everywhere on their body, like on their arms, on their legs, everywhere. And I truly feel bad for them because they have no one to help. So I think everyone should help them because they can't talk or they can't ask for help or when they're in danger or help or anything. So I think it's very important. And the dogs in Tibet are very, very big, and yeah, they're gorgeous. And the animals in Australia and America are very lucky because they get all pampered up and they have everything: food, water, beds to sleep, a roof over their head. So they're very lucky. So we should be all grateful for what we have. So I'm going to make the face right now. I've tried making the face here, but the clay is really hard, so it's hard. Okay, I'm gonna add the eyes and a face. I'm going to add a small nose. You won't be able to see unless you come do a close up. And some ears. And some blush. This is looking a little bit scary. It's not my best. It's really bad, but I'm trying. And I've finished. It looks really scary, but I tried my best. And that's all. This is my dog, which is the best one out of all of them. It's very cute. And then this is my horse. It's blue, purple, and pink. And then this is the bear. So that's about it. And this is my YouTube channel name is Tenzin Chimmy Family. Tenzin is TENZIN, Chimmy CHIMI _family FAMLMILY. So all of you subscribe, like, and share, and support me, please. And because I'm new. So, and thank you. And see you next time. Peace out.